Have you ever noticed that most people graduate school with a diploma, but very little understanding of money? They know formulas, history dates, and grammar rules. But when it comes to making, saving, or growing money, they are clueless. Today, I'm revealing the secret money habits schools never teach you. The ones millionaires use every day to build wealth, avoid mistakes, and multiply their income. The first secret habit is tracking every dollar. Most people never know where their money goes. Bills, coffee, subscriptions, it all disappears. Millionaires track every single dollar. They know what's coming in, what's going out, and how to make every dollar work for them. Curiosity point. This simple habit alone can uncover hidden leaks in your finances worth thousands of dollars without earning more. The second secret habit is investing early and consistently. Schools teach saving, but they rarely teach how to invest or why time is your greatest asset. Millionaires know that starting small today can lead to exponential growth tomorrow. Compound interest isn't a myth. It's the most powerful wealth-building tool you'll ever have. Here's something most people don't realize. Even investing a small amount consistently beats waiting for the perfect opportunity. The early action advantage is massive. The third secret habit is prioritizing high-value skills over credentials. Grades, degrees, and certificates look good on paper, but they don't create wealth. Millionaires focus on skills that generate money. Negotiation, sales, coding, investing, communication, or entrepreneurship. Curiosity bait. One high-value skill can earn more than years of conventional work. And yet, most people are never taught this in school. The fourth secret habit is making money work for you, not just working for money. Most people trade time for money. Millionaires build assets, businesses, investments, intellectual property. They create systems that generate income even while they sleep. Here's the shocker. You can apply this principle at any stage of life. It doesn't matter if you're 20 or 40. Start building assets today, and you'll gain financial freedom faster than you think. Finally, the fifth secret habit is thinking long-term with financial discipline. Impulse spending, lifestyle inflation, and instant gratification are wealth killers. Millionaires practice patience. They plan for years, not weeks. Every purchase, every investment, every decision is evaluated for long-term impact. Imagine combining all these habits. Tracking every dollar, investing early, mastering high-value skills, making money work for you, and thinking long-term. That's not a random path. That's a systematic millionaire blueprint.